Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one of the topic, that is city creation, the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. In this basically we are discussing what? One topic, that is BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange, that is having 12 lakh crore dollar basically. That is 12 lakh crore. So 12 lakh crore dollar basically is a small amount basically. From here, this money only basically, the whole world basically, each and every people basically is earning a 1 rupee also basically. That is also money earning from this money basically. So there is no money basically in this world basically, I am telling you. Even the poor beggar is also having 1 rupees that he is having from this money, this data basically. This is the amount basically. From this amount basically, the whole world basically, each and every single rupee basically, which is getting earned, that is from this money basically. So one of the World Bank person told that basically, you have basically some problem with these people basically. No, basically I don't have any problem with these people basically. How basically one normal software person basically, he is basically having the project manager designation last. How basically he can have the problem with this group basically? I don't have any problem with this person basically, this group basically. So one of the person told that yes, basically it might be that some other problem basically might be that, and somebody might be creating the issue basically. So one of the person told that basically, that might be this group basically, or basically might be this group, or might be this group basically, or basically might be this group. But one of the person told that basically, the group basically who are earning the money, they basically mostly basically don't know the sequence basically from where the money is coming, where the money is getting rotated. They basically don't have aware, basically they are not supposed to aware, and basically if they try to contact, then basically they will get fired basically. The system is basically like that basically. So one of the person told that this group basically, one of the person literally asked one question actually. This is very dangerous actually, which thing basically I am discussing here. Percentage of data taken here. Percentage of data taken here means in this basically. In this basically, percentage of data basically are taken. That is this group basically, this. How basically percentage of data basically are taken? For example, in one plane this many people, in another plane this many people, in one plane that nationality group, in one plane that caste, in the one plane that caste, in this plane this nationality, in that plane that nationality. Who basically decides this basically? Then few people basically told that basically, in this plane basically, few percentage might be of human clones basically. Few percentage might be the human clones basically. Few people say that, do you know basically that Italy basically, Italy city? Yes, basically we know Italy city basically. There basically people who are staying basically. There basically you can say that basically that is the nationality basically. How many nationality basically, or basically you can say, we will take nationality only basically. Do you know how many nationality basically there might be? In this world basically, how many nationalities are basically there? How many nationalities are basically there? Nationality, basically. Nationality is in this world. 223 nationalities basically are there. 223 nationality. 223 तो नहीं होगा basically. top nationality basically, top nationality. These all are the top nationality. France, Germany, this, that basically top nationality. See basically the nationalities basically. So whatever basically nationality, we are not going into detail basically. So here basically what we are discussing, 223 nationalities. So one of the person told that 223 nationality basically are there, as in that basically 223 nationality people basically are staying in the Italy basically. So just see up to what level things are going to connect. Up to what level the things are going to connect, that is C basically. So another person told that up to what level the things are basically connect, that is C basically. Up to what level the things are basically connect, that is C basically. So one of the person told that up to what level the things are basically connect, that you just see basically. So in Italy basically 223 nationality people basically are staying. Assume basically that daily basically sea water comes into the inside the city. Daily basically city gets full of water basically. Not a single basically house basically you can see from the upside basically. If you are moving the boat, then basically you can move easily, and there you can't see a single house also basically. And entire house basically are stable only basically. That much clear? Next day basically the city, it might not be happening daily basically, that is not possible because that depends upon the nuclear power company who are collecting the data basically of each and every nationality. So just see basically up to what level the things basically are connecting. So water basically came, and then basically water out from the city basically. The medical department comes into the city, they checks each and every people, 223 nationalities. They see basically which type of problems basically are in the blood cells basically. So whatever blood cells basically they are having, they will try to repair that blood cells. Repair the blood cells means what basically? They have the existing medicine, medicine equal to city creation basically, right? City created basically, not creation basically. City created. Medicine equal to city created, which is created by set of groups basically. That is clear? So medicine equal to set of created, they will try to give the medicine. If medicine works, and after that basically they try again checks the blood cells. If it's getting repaired, then it's okay. Otherwise basically they will say that basically this many area basically he has to create basically. So just see up to what level basically they try to do the stuff basically. Then only basically they takes this decision basically. So this decision, then basically they creates the cities also, then creates the areas basically, as in that basically in the cities, and then basically it's a long process basically. It's not a short term process basically. So they told that they basically created the areas, and then basically again the energy basically comes into the water in the form of the water, and again basically they wash out the cities, and then basically again the water basically goes out from the city, then again basically they repairs the data, medicines they give, and if that time basically the repair basically happens of that blood cells, then it's okay. Otherwise they will wash out that blood cells basically, that is equal to particular group basically in this basically, and the percentage amount basically gets data taken basically. In this world basically how many people basically are there? 900 crore. So in that Italy city basically 2 to 3 nationality are taken, and in that nationality basically the 900 crore population energy basically are also dumped basically. Which kind of energy? That medical department knows basically that future creation data basically. That basically body contains future creation data basically. That 223 nationality basically people basically exist in that city basically of that Italy basically, they contain future data basically. That is future data basically. According to that the medicine basically are given basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.